Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to work on this building drawing problem. This is actually 2017 building drawing, and here we are asked to we have here that the sketch below shows the plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. Study the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So this is the sketch plan and the specifications. So we have it here on this page here, as you can see on the screen. All right, so before we come here and make use of what we need from here in the specifications, so we need to work on the plan, and then we need to replicate what we see here. So that is what I'm going to do now. You are going to see how I'm going to do it. So we are going to make a rectangle in such a way that we are going to draw horizontal line, this horizontal line, and we draw this vertical line, and we take the measurement for each of the compartments in this sketch plan. Okay, so that is what we are going to do right now. So let's go and see how that can be done. So as I said, somebody requested for this. I don't know how I don't know what the information that the person asked about this, but I'm going to do it, and then we are going to do it together. Okay, so let's start with this work. So the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line. So I'll draw a horizontal line like this and make use of my pen. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'm going to draw a vertical line. All right, so here I draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then looking at dimensions that we have here, so first of all, okay, in the specifications we are making use of a scale of 1:100. A scale of 1:100. I should have shown you that. So we are dividing each dimension by 100, and first of all we have 34, that 3,400. 3,400 is the first dimension that we have along this horizontal line. So we are going to take a measurement of 34 millimeters. If we divide 3,400 by 100, we have 34 millimeters. So the next is 2,200. That will give us 22 millimeters. So this is 22 millimeters here. And the next one we have 3,000. So that will be 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters. If we divide 3,000 by 100, that is 30 millimeters. Then next one we have 2,200. That will be 22 millimeters. We are going to have that to be 22 millimeters. So this is 22 millimeters here. Then followed by 3,000. So that is 30 millimeters. So here we have 30 millimeters here now. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to take the measurement on the vertical line. So the first one that we have is 5,200. That will be 52 millimeters. So from this point here, I'm going to take a measurement of 52 millimeters down. So this is 52 millimeters. So I will still need to extend this vertical line. So I don't want it to be too long. That's why I just stopped it there. Okay. So now, so followed by 1,200. That will be 12 millimeters. That will be 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. Okay, so this is 12 millimeters here. Then followed by 4,000. So that will be 40 millimeters. So here I have 40 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 40 millimeters. So the next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point. Here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Then I'm going to take this vertical line. I will draw a vertical line from here down. So this is the vertical line. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do here, because of the way the each part of this building is structured, so I'm going to okay, so I'm going to take the dimensions that we have here on this side. Let me show you dimensions that we have on this side here. So here we have what we have: 4,000, 2,400. Then we have what we have: 4,000 again. And I'll still take dimensions that we have here on this part here. So okay, All right, so I'll take dimensions that we have on this one so that we can bring out each of the compartment that we have here in this building sketch plan. So so let me take the one that we have on this side. We have 4,000 first, so 4,000. So I'm going to take 4,000 down here. So that will be 40 millimeters, not 40 millimeters. If you divide 4,000 by 100, then followed by 24. That we have, because we have 2,400 there. That is 24 millimeters. So this is 24 millimeters. So the rest here will be 4,000, will be 40. So this is 40. So okay. So we have done that. Then coming to this side here, we are going to take a measurement of 34, which we have already taken up here. So so this is 34. Let me just put it there. Then next one we have 3,000. We have 3,000. So that will be 30 millimeters. Then followed by 2,400. That is 24 millimeters. This is 24 millimeters here. Then the rest is 5,000. So if I take a measurement from here to here, so this is 5,000. Okay, so that's 5,000. I think there is a little this line is not straight as a result of my t-square. Okay, so this is 5,000 to this point. All right, so we have all these. So let's bring out each of these compartments as we have here so that we can have a neat drawing. So so I'm going to create this, and create this of that is the kitchen, the dining, the porch, and also the living room. So we have bedroom here, we have the bath here, and we still need to take some small dimensions within this part. So we are going to do that. So let's start with what we have on this part first. So what I'm going to do here now is that I'm going to draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line here. All right, so I'll draw a vertical line. I'm not going to skip anything here because someone sent me a message that I should not skip just because it's not everyone that knows what that part that I might have skipped in a particular video. So I'm not going to skip anything. So we do it together. We see how everything should be done. Okay, so then here I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So there is a line here. So, and before I move on, all these lines that we have drawn here, including the one that we are going to put here, they stand for the external part of the wall. They stand for the external edge of the wall. So that's what I want you to know. Okay, because we still come and make the wall make the wall thick. So by taking a particular dimension on the wall, so we still look at that on the specification. So now the next thing that I'm going to create here is that okay, so this line, there's a line, so I need to draw a vertical line here. I need to draw a vertical line here up, and then I need to draw a horizontal line. So this horizontal line, they are together with the part that we have here. That is the living room that we have here. All right, so then so the next thing that I'm going to do here is that I need to come up to this part here. So where we have what? We have taken a measurement of 12 millimeters. So I need to draw a horizontal line. So from here forward a bit. Then so from where we have this 2,200, where we took 22 millimeters. So I need to draw a vertical line. So I need to draw a vertical line down here like this, okay, to meet this line. Then coming here, I will draw a vertical line down a little bit, okay. I'm looking at what we are given. So if you have the question with you, you can follow me as I'm doing it here. Just that we have the drawing on a tab, so that is why I'm not carrying it around. And then so where we have 4,000 here, let me bring it for you to see. So where we have this 4,000, that is distance from here to here. So I'm going to draw this horizontal line. So to meet with this line, so we have this 4,000 here. So that is 40 millimeters that we took. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line from here So I'll draw a horizontal line from here, and it goes. Okay, so I need to take this down a little bit. So here we have this. So I will join this together. All right, so then so the next thing that we have here is that I need to draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line down here. Okay, then we also have a vertical line to be drawn here. So we draw a vertical line down here like this. Okay, and then some other dimensions that we are going to take. So as shown here in this drawing, so all these small dimensions. So we have to take a measurement of 1200, that is 12 millimeters from here. So that is from here to here. So it's going to be from, I think that's already taken. That's already taken. If I look at the distance from here to here, that should be around 12 millimeters. So that's already there. So another thing that we need to do is that this wardrobe that we have here, we are told that distance from here to here is 1000. That will be 10 millimeters. And then coming here, so distance of this line from this line here is 1200. So let's quickly do that. We are taking 10 around here to create that wardrobe. So this is 10 millimeters here. Okay, so then I'm coming here to take 12 millimeters. I'm coming here to take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line here. Okay, then coming here, I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, we have done that. Another thing that we have, another small dimensions that we need to take is the one that we have here in the porch. So we have that distance from here to here is 1400, and then we need to create this beam. So this beam, so for this beam they said that the distance from this point to this point here is 1000. We also have it to be 1000 from here to here, so that we can bring out this beam. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that here. So so here I first of all take a measurement of 14 millimeters for us to create the porch. So here we have it. Then come here, I will take 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters, so that we can create the beam. So we have this. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. I will draw a horizontal line here like this. Okay, and then so the next thing that we have here, we also have an arc at the dining. An arc at the dining also has the same thing as we have here for the so here we have, I don't know the distance from here to here. They didn't give the distance, but I'll just take it as 5 millimeters, since normally in the question they usually tell us that wherever dimensions is not given, we should assume dimensions ourselves. So I'll just take 5 from here to here, and from here to here also I will take 5 millimeters, so that I can put the beam in between this distance. So now I believe you can see that we already have every compartment. So the next thing that we are going to do is to work on the thickness of the wall. So we are going to do it together right now. So what we need to do is to come to the specifications. So according to the specifications that we have here, we are told that all walls 225 millimeters, all walls 225 millimeters. So that's what we need. So if we divide 225 by 100, that's going to give us 2.25. 2.25. So that means the thickness of the wall will be 2 millimeters. So what I just need to do is to take a measurement of 2 millimeters here. This is 2 millimeters. Okay, 2 millimeters by this. Okay, then I will come to this end and take a measurement of 2 millimeters. We are taking it inward, not outward. As I said, that every line that we have drawn here is meant for the external edge of the wall. So you take note of that. Don't take it outside, you take it inside. Okay, now I'm going to draw a horizontal line joining these 2 points together. So join these 2 points together. So I will draw this. Okay, so we join these 2 points together. So we have taken that wall on that part. Then Also, so we have a wall. So we have a wall here. So I'll first of all work on all the horizontal ones. So for this one, I will take it outside here. So this is 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. And then come here, I will also take 2 millimeters here. So this is 2 millimeters. I'm going to join these together. Okay. Then for this one also, I will take 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters here. And here also we have 2 millimeters. So then I will join these together. So I join this together to create the thickness of this wall. Then coming to this, so we have a wall here. So for this one, I will take it in. So this is 2 millimeters. Okay. Then coming down here, I also have 2 millimeters. Then I'm going to join this together. Alright, so we have that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so we come to this particular wall here. So we also take a measurement of 2 millimeters in, like this. And then coming here, I will also take 2 millimeters in. Then I will join these 2 points together to create the thickness of that wall. Okay, so then coming to this one, so here we take 2 millimeters inward. So this is 2 millimeters. And then coming to this end here, I will take 2 millimeters in. Okay. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So draw horizontal line from here to here, and also horizontal line from here to here. Alright, so we have created the thickness of that wall. So we come to this one now. So here we take 2 millimeters inward. So this is 2 millimeters. And then come to this end, I will take a measurement of 2 millimeters. Then we join this together. We join this together like this. Alright, so we have brought out the thickness of that one. Now let's work for the vertical walls. So for the vertical walls, I'm going to take a measurement of 2 millimeters. Okay, then coming up here, I will take 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. Then I'm going to join this together. Alright, so we have taken that wall. Then so we have this wall here. So for this wall, I will take it to this side. So this is 2 millimeters. Then coming up here, I will take 2 millimeters again. Then I'm going to join this together. Alright, so then so for this, I will take 2 millimeters to this side. Coming here, I will also take 2 millimeters to this side. Here I will join so these 2 points together, so to make the thickness of that wall. Alright, so then so let me do this at the same time. Okay, so we take 2 millimeters inward here. Then coming up here, we take 2 millimeters. So we join this together. Alright, so then okay, so I have not done for the thickness of this wall. I'll just take 2 millimeters in here. Then coming here, I will take 2 millimeters. Then I will join this together. Alright, so then for this wall here, so I will take 2 millimeters to this side. Then coming up here, I will take 2 millimeters. Alright, so I'm going to join this together. Alright, so for this, I will take 2 millimeters to this side. So here I take 2 millimeters. Then I will. Alright, so then for this I will take 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. Then coming up here I will take 2 millimeters. So we need to take our time to get this done. Okay, so you cannot rush this work. Okay, so it's a work that requires patience. Alright, so and then for this I will take 2 millimeters to this side. So this is 2 millimeters. Then coming up here I take 2 millimeters again. So then I will join this together. Alright, so the last one is what we want to do here. So we also need to take 2 millimeters in here. Then come up here, we take 2 millimeters. And then so we join this together. Alright, so we have created the thickness of the wall. All the walls have been thickened. So then let's look at the next thing that we need to do. Alright, the next thing that we are going to do is to fix the windows. Let's fix the windows. Here we have WW1200 by 1800 by 38, and W is 600 by 600 by 38. So for these windows, the height is 1200, while the width is 1800. So the height is 1200, the width is 1800, and then this is 600 by 600, the height and the width. So this 38 is for the thickness of the window, which we are not going to make use of here in this drawing, and also in other ones too. So now let's see how the windows are positioned on the wall. So looking at this, here we have WW here. So what you need to do is to be able to centralize the window. So here we have W, we have WW, we have W, we have WW here, and then we have WWW, and then okay, so let's see how this can be done quickly. So we need to try as much as possible to centralize the window. So we have 18 millimeters for WW. So we have 18 millimeters. So first of all, I have 9 millimeters. So I will place it here. This is 9. I will take 9 millimeters. This is 9 millimeters here. Okay, so we have 9 millimeters. First one, then we take another 9 millimeters, making 18 millimeters here. So alright, so then I'm going to draw like this. I draw this. Okay, so we are not skipping anything. So another one that we have here in the water closet here is W, which is 600. So that will be 6 millimeters. So I have 6 millimeters here now. This is 6 millimeters. So I need to make this thick, and I also make this thick. So alright, so then we also have WW again. So here we have what we have. Okay, so then we take 9. Next we have what we have, another 9, making 18. Okay, so then I need to, okay, so another one that we have here. So here we have W here. So this is 6 millimeters. So we have this is 6 millimeters here. So I need to, alright, so and then here we have WW. So here we have this is the starting point. This is 9 millimeters. Then we have what we have 18 millimeters. So I need to make this thick. Alright, there's no way I will not pause the video. Okay, let me check this. Okay, this is 9. Alright, okay. Alright, so with what we have done here, so what I need to do now is to draw a line like this through this, so to show the windows in their place. Alright, so I will also draw this again. So I will still pause this video. You can see that I've done this one, so you can go on and do the remaining one. So that's why I need to pause the video. I will do the rest and come back and show you the next thing to do. Alright, I fixed all the windows as you can see here. I fixed all the windows. So what we need to do now is to fix the doors. So looking at what we have here, we have so here we have what we have, the door. We have a door here, a door here, a door here. So we have them all there. So but we need to know dimensions for the doors. So and then let me come back to the windows here. But okay, let me leave that for now because we don't really need what I want to say here in the plan. So we have made use of what we need to use in the window in the plan. So okay, let's come to doors here. So here we have DD 2100 by 1800 by 38 double swing flush in 100 by 50 timber frame. Then we have what we have D2100 by 900 by 38, also flush in 100 by 50 timber frame. Okay, so for the dimensions of the door, this 2100 is the height of the door, so we are not using it in the plan, but we are using this 1800, which is the width in the plan. Then the same thing applies to that of the single door. These are double doors, this is a single door, so the width is 900, so that's what we are using in the plan. So let's see how that is to be done. So let's start with so we have double door here, we have double door here in the porch. So that is 1800, that will be 18 millimeters. So I'll just fix this one and I'll fix one single door, then I'll pause the video and do the rest. When I'm done, I'll come and show you show you what we have done. So here we have what we have. So here we have, then we have 9, then coming here, this is 18 millimeters. Alright, so so we have this, then we have what we have this. So now, so I'm going to from this point I will take a measurement of 9 millimeters up, and I'll also do the same thing here, 9 millimeters up. Okay, what I've done here, I don't want to do it in this way. Okay, alright, so I will take 9 millimeters up here, and I'm going to join this point together with this point, so that when we open it, it goes to this side. And I'll also do this, so do like this. Okay, so we have done that. So I will also fix one single door. So we have a single door here, which is 9 millimeters. So come here, this is the starting point, and I will take 9 millimeters here. Okay. Alright, so then this door that we have here, I need to take note of something. Alright, so what I have here, so so this door that we have here, so I'm going to draw a line 9 millimeters long here. Then I will connect this point with this point here. Alright, so I fix and now, so we open it, will lay on this wall here. So that is what actually happened there. So I fixed this double door and this single door. So let me fix the rest while I pause the video. Looking at what I've done here, I've fixed all the doors as we have fixed all the windows. Then just let me say something here. So we have the arc here, and that should be done with short dashes line that is within the thickness of the wall, and that's what I've done here. I did the same thing here, and I noticed that we are supposed to have a beam here in the pouch here, or the porch here. So that is what I've done here. Another thing that we're going to put in this drawing is to draw the east projection. So according to the specifications, this projection is 600. So we are going to 600 by 100 will give us 6 millimeters. So here we extend this horizontal line, and we also extend this horizontal line to this side. And coming up here, we do the same thing. So we are going to extend the horizontal line to the right and also to the left. Also, we are going to extend this vertical line. So we extend this vertical line here, and we take it down. And also we come to this side, we also extend the vertical line. Okay. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to take a measurement of 6 millimeters from this line. So this is 6 millimeters here, and also take 6 millimeters on this side from this line here. So this is 6 millimeters. Then here I will take 6 millimeters. Okay, so this is 6 millimeters here. Then come here, I will also take 6 millimeters from this line here. So this is 6 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay, then come here, I will draw a vertical line. Then here I will draw a horizontal line. Then I will also draw a horizontal line up here. Alright, so what we have done here, so I need to show that. So we are going to use short dashes line to do that. So we show the east projection with short dashes line. So I'm going to do the rest while I pause the video. Alright, so this is it. So we have drawn the east projection around it, and we have to write floor plan and also state the scale down here. So now we are done with the plan. So don't forget that you have to also label or rewrite the name of each compartment that we have here, as I've done here, as you can see it here now. So make sure you do that. So we meet on the front elevation of the building. Thank you, and God bless you.